You ready?
Yes, I'm ready, bro.
Okay, bro. So you already know I put up to Japan. Got these nigga all these gifts.
That's crazy. I really
Alright.
appreciate it, bro.
First thing first.
What is this?
I don't know.
Bro, how do I open this?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? You're the one who fucking got it. Can I just like go like that or no?
Yeah, go ahead. It's yours, bro. Do whatever you want.
I'm trying to open it. Okay, why isn't this shit working?
I don't know. Hey, call it.
What?
A lot of people missed you, bro.
I know.
They were all like,
the-
bring Bandicoot Ocean back.
I'm the goat for real. What the fuck?
You're the slowest opener ever.
Oh, bro. Oh, it's my boy! And there's a little boy! Damn, thank you, bro. Ooh, look at him. He's looking clean.
You looking clean?
He's always looking clean. Hey, wait. Is this? Wait. Let me,
Do you have
actually
scissors?
open it.
Yeah, you gotta actually open it.
There we go. Hey. The
Oh,
boy.
there's a little one?
Yeah, that's what I said. I said little boy. Yo, this is sick.
Ugh.
Wait, did you not know that it was gonna be Doraemon, or you did know?
No, I knew.
Oh, yeah. Man, that would've been crazy if it's just like damn. Big boy, wait, hold up.
Boy, it ain't gonna balance.
I got it, don't worry. Look at this.
It ain't gonna
He
balance.
got-
It's okay, it's okay.
His head is too fat, bro.
Kinda like you.
What? My head is proportionate. Is it not? Hey, the voice.
Hey.
Look at my man's right here. Like the hands behind his back, like he's just too clean with it.
He is clean. Oh, because he looked kinda humble too.
Yeah.
Because of the hands behind his back. Alright, go sit your ass down. Next gift.
Bro, why is this dude's tail yellow and then this dude is red? Oh, what? Oh, okay. Alright, bro.
Alright, so I know how much you love fashion, right? You love fashion a lot, right?
Yeah.
Alright, hold up.
This may get me. I'm not gonna look. Ah, fuck. Ooh, okay. This is my boy. From, who is this, bro?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's the drip.
It has like a Doraemon type beat to it.
Outdoor products, okay. My boy,
I got that in Harajuku in Tokyo.
for 20 bucks. Damn. No, for 10 bucks, it was on sale.
Yes, sir.
Bro, who is this?
I don't know.
He's nice with it.
Wait, let me try to read it. Let me try to read it.
It says outdoor products, I bet.
No, but the Japanese thing says Kawara no Machi. Yeah.
Bro, what size is that?
I don't know. Something small.
Why did you get a small?
Because you're small.
Medium.
It's a medium?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's a
Is it
medium.
even- Hold up. Yeah, it fits me. You already know I'm a medium, bro.
I got you that stuff.
Ooh. Ooh, okay. Boy, I'm the Doraemon. Okay, this is nice. Okay, let me see this.
Oh, you got the small light, you got the time master thing, you got the time machine, okay? You got the little piccolo thing over here, you got the door. That's a Dragon Ball? No, bro, the piccolo, like the instrument. Oh, yeah, my man. Or is that, I don't even know. And then you got the door, the trans...
Okay. Sorry, bro. Sorry about that little camera cut, man. My storage went out. I ran out of storage. I had to do some iCloud type of thing. Alright, close your eyes.
Ah. Damn, this is so fancy.
I got it from Asakusa.
From Osaka?
No, Asakusa. It's in Tokyo. What? Not Osaka, Asakusa. Asakusa. Well, you're Bandicoot Ocean. You have to know.
Hey. Damn. Bro, y'all can see it. What is it?
No, you can't. Pull up the tab.
Okay, y'all can see it. I can't. Oh wait. What?
That's tough.
Okay. What is this?
Go vertical.
What you mean go vertical?
Like upside down.
Like this?
Yeah.
What is it? I'm gonna try to guess. Bro, what is this? It's like a scroll. It's like a scroll.
Hey, how'd you know?
Cause I can feel it. Ooh, whoa. Damn. This is hella fire.
On a set.
Ooh, okay. Damn. You really went all out. Thank you.
No problem.
Ooh, damn. Look at that detail. That's sweet.
Dude.
What?
I went there. And there.
No.
I got my anime figurines from here.
I went. Oh, you know. I went there. 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 I went here, bro. Right here. This cloud. That's the big homie right there.
is that Goku's cloud where he rides on?
Yeah, I have him in my room. I have it in my room.
I bet.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah, you hang that up on your wall, bro.
I will. Wait, how does this is so fancy. How do I do this?
I don't know. I was struggling with that too.
Wait, what? How did you
What?
How did you have it if it was like in the package? Or did you like try it before it was like packaged?
What do you mean?
Like, were you like trying to roll it up? Like,
No. It was already like that. But then they had it on display, so I could see what it looked like before I bought it. Yeah, cause like Tokyo's fancy.
I'm so nice of it.
Take it forever. Bro, it's not working. I thought you were nice with it. See, now it's crooked. There we go.
Okay, then how am I supposed to like package this?
You don't. You put it on your wall.
No, I mean like how did they do it?
No, you put it in the plastic first.
Bro, it's not gonna fit anyways. Okay, let me just leave it out. So you know, this guy really went all out for me.
No problem.
You know, you gotta lay it all out. So you know you got the shirts.
And don't forget Doraemon.
Trip.
Yeah.
Doraemon.
Fuck the goldfish.
Fuck the goldfish. That's what we were munching on Saturday. You know, when we were
The boys.
doing questionable things. And then got the shirt, the other shirt. Wait, how am I supposed to do this? I'll do it like this. And then go like this.
Which shirt do you think looks cleaner, Doraemon or the koala? Me personally, I think Doraemon, but I like the koala too, so I just got both.
I think the koala's kind of nice with it.
Yeah, but Doraemon's your boy. He's been with you forever.
But I'm a koala. That's what everybody says. So like, that's my brother. It's my koala brother, bro.
I gotta get this good. Okay.
Keep disrespecting my stuff like that.
Why you got the remotes underneath?
Because this is a fucking table.
Wait, get
How
that
did I
thing.
just turn
Get
on
that
the
thing.
TV?
Get that thing. Get that thing.
What thing?
You turn on TV. Get that thing. Yeah. Okay. Move. Okay. But then don't forget this nigga right here. So there we have it. There's all your stuff.
I should use this for something. What do you think I should use it for? I already know what I'm using this for, but
What you gonna use it
on
for?
camera.
What you gonna use it for?
I can't see it on camera.
Why not?
Suspicious.
But I'm King Chunks. I have to know.
off camera. Don't worry.